Someone once dreamed of trains that rocketed above our heads, of skyscrapers that touched the clouds, of bridges that spanned oceans, of tunnels that connected continents, of highways that become lifelines. Today, these dreams become a reality, supporting a wide range of industries that are integral to the strength of a nation, from agriculture, construction, automobile to large-scale industries. JSW Steel is at the helm of the Indian growth saga, encompassing the grandeur of Indian construction marvels to the smallest clip of steel. It is only the real strength of steel that allows us to turn dreams into reality. Realization of dreams of billions begins here. JSW Steel is a leading integrated steel manufacturer. It can produce more than 39,000 metric tons of steel per day. JSW Steel is also a primary TMT bar manufacturer with a capacity of 22 lakh metric tons per year, which will increase to 36 lakh metric tons shortly. The JSW Steel plant has one of the technologically most advanced TMT bar mills in the country. Raw materials like iron ore and coking coal are brought straight from high-quality mines to our plant. The wagons are unloaded at the plant by a high-tech automated wagon tippler. The long conveyor belts carry the raw materials directly to the blast furnace, which converts the raw materials into molten iron. This virgin molten iron is then transported through torpedo ladles for desulfurization before being converted to steel. Sulfur and phosphorus are the worst enemies of steel. At JSW, sulfur and phosphorus are removed in the desulfurization process, giving you steel of almost perfect purity, ensuring better ductility, strength, weldability, and surface quality. Special care and quality control ensures that the chemical composition of the steel conforms to stringent quality norms, making certain the final product meets world standards. It starts with manufacturing of billets. The molten iron is cast into billets. The result of this high reduction is TMT bars with a good and consistent microstructure. It takes even less than a minute for converting the billets into TMT bars. The entire process is computer controlled with level 3 automation. The billets are uniformly heated from end to end in the automatic, temperature-controlled, walking beam type reheating furnace at 1100 degrees centigrade. This technology ensures uniform and consistent reheating across the entire length of the bar, giving an unmatched consistency in the mechanical properties of the end product. At the exit of the furnace is a special descaler to remove scales from the billet's surface before it is rolled. The descaling process ensures uniform development of martensitic rim depth in the finished rebar, giving it high strength and ductility. Secondly, it ensures a uniform rib pattern of the finest quality, leading to the best possible class bonding with concrete. As the billet enters the descaler, jets of water begin to spray the billet from all sides. The billet is passed into the roughing mill. Then, a crop and cobble shear cuts off the cold front and tail ends to maintain superior quality. And then, it is passed through the intermediate mill. This is where the process of reduction and elongation of the bars takes place, getting them into the required sizes. The bars now enter the finishing mill, which has high-speed steel rolls and tungsten carbide rings to ensure an excellent surface finish. These high-tech rings are specially made for JSW and not used by any other manufacturer in India. Now, the material is split into two parts for the lower finishing sections in the power slitter. In the next stage, the bars then enter the no-twist mill through the side looper. This relieves the tension, ensuring size accuracy. The bars are further reduced to the required sizes by tungsten carbide rolls. The no-twist mill enables controlled temperature rolling to produce a superior grain structure. It is now time for the finished rebars to enter the water boxes and equalization zones. This is high-yield quenching and self-tempering technology. An internationally renowned technology is being used in the manufacture of TMT rebars. It uses a special split-style nozzle cooling process to produce fine-grained, multi-phase, composite rebars with superior strength and ductility. This latest computer-controlled rapid quenching system with metallurgical rationale ensures a fine equiaxed ferrite pearlite microstructure at the core and hard and tempered martensite on the outer surface. As a result, the bar has a combination of superior strength and high ductility. Finally, the bars enter the cooling bed. This cooling area consists of one of the longest cooling beds. At this stage, the bars are auto-aligned and any bars falling short in length are automatically removed. This ensures that all the bars are of the requisite 12-meter length. Finished bars are randomly selected for inspection in the lab. The technology for JSW Steel is supplied by Danieli, Italy and Morgan, USA, amongst the best in the world. JSW's testing facilities conform to international standards. The testing is done right from the stage of raw material to the last stage of the finished rebar. TMT bars undergo 40 different types of tests before they are released into the market. The final product is tested for physical properties, mechanical properties, and chemical properties. This assures that every structure made from JSW TMT bars will survive the test of time. After going through the rigorous testing process, the finest range of FE500, FE500D, FE550, FE550D, FE600 are produced. These are also available in corrosion-resistant steel grades. JSW TMT bars are available in size range from 6 mm to 40 mm. JSW's state-of-the-art rolling mill ensures excellent yield strength, exceeding the values mentioned in the standard IS 1786 and ASTM Grade 40, Grade 60. The manufactured bars have excellent weldability, can be easily butt welded, lap welded, and arc welded manually without any preheating. They have higher fatigue resistance and bendability, greater resistance to higher temperatures and corrosion. JSW Steel is one of the leading primary steel manufacturers in the country. The steel that JSW makes is steel manufactured from virgin iron ore. Structures made of primary steel stand the test of time. Structures made of secondary steel may have a low lifespan and may not be able to withstand natural calamities. JSW Steel is truly a green steel. Here, we are sensitive to our natural resources and environment. JSW TMT bars are manufactured in a zero effluent plant using emission-free Corex gas. There is no wastage of materials. Even the water used at various stages for cooling rollers is recycled in the water recycling plant. JSW Steel's Vijayanagar works is one of the first in the world to have successfully used Corex technology to produce green steel. With the planting of 15 lakh trees, JSW has turned the once barren stretch of land into a green, eco-friendly oasis. Rainfall has increased 3 times. The underground water levels have also increased. Today, JSW Steel is used in some of the country's most prestigious projects. Because JSW Steel is the country's most trusted name in the manufacturing of steel.